First, we will measure the center from end to end. "113 inches. Now, let's go to the left side. Okay. From end to corner, 21.5 inches for the first corner. The second corner, 14.5 inches. Third corner, 15 inches. Fourth corner, 20 inches. Fifth corner, 15 inches. Now we will measure the rail width. 5.5 inches. Now we will measure the whole altar to get a total count. "283 inches total altar count." Now, let's measure the communion table. Depending upon how far you want your cloth to fall, you will measure. The table height is 31 inches. The table length is 59 inches. And the table width is 24 inches. Now, measuring the pulpit, 50 inches in length. "40 inches in height. "21 inches in width." Now remember, those measurements will be ×2 for your front, your back, and 2 sides. Let's move on to the Bible stand. The Bible stand front, 5.5 inches. The Bible stand back, 3 inches. The length of the Bible stand is 26 inches. Okay, we will need each angle of the pulpit side table as well. "13.5 inches for the width. 13.5 inches for the width all around. For the height, 29.5 inches in height. Only 2 more pieces to go. We will measure our high back chair. Now this gets a little tricky.
Number of high back chairs.
First, count the number of high back chairs you have, but exclude the pastor's chair. We will get to it later. First, your high back chair.
Width of high back chair.
The width of the high back chair (25.5 inches).
Height of chair from top to armrest.
The height of the chair from top to armrest. (17 inches).
Armrest to chair seat.
Armrest to chair seat. 8.5 inches.
Side width of chair.
Side width of chair, 2 inches.
Pastor's chair only. Height of chair from top to armrest.
This is where it gets tricky. We need the highest point of the chair. So, measure here to armrest, 19 inches.
Armrest to chair seat.
Armrest to chair seat is 8 inches.
Side width of chair.
Side width of chair, 2 inches. All right, now, as you can see, we've made a paper back for the chair back. We need the curve of your chair. In order to obtain that, we must cut out the design of the back of the chair. If your pastor's chair has the same design as the high back chair, but is taller, just indicate that on the order form. All right, this one is simpler. We will start with
The width of the chair from end to end.
the width of the chair, 24 inches.
Height of chair.
Height of the chair, back, 20.5 inches.
Side width of chair.
And the side width of the chair, 2 inches. One more piece to go, the collection table. Depending upon where you want your cloth to fall is where you will measure. But we will measure from here to the top of the table, 8 inches. The length, 29.5 inches. The width, 25.5 inches. All right, we have completed our measurements. You may want to check your measurements again for accuracy. Remember, the cloths will be made according to the measurements you provide. I've enjoyed being with you today. In sweet Holy Spirit, have a wonderful day.